If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Press in to release and remove SD card. Slide tabs outward to unlock and remove battery. Then unscrew and remove base cover. Now use fingers to separate and remove keyboard bezel. Then unscrew and turn over keyboard. Now disconnect and remove keyboard. Now remove hard drive. Press in button to release and remove optical drive. Then unscrew and remove hinge cap. Then unscrew and remove corner covers. Then unscrew and disconnect DC jack. Now disconnect and remove CMOS battery. Now separate clips and remove memory. Then unscrew and disconnect wireless card. Now disconnect and remove display cables. Now unscrew and disconnect heatsink. Next, turn locking screw counterclockwise to remove CPU. Then unscrew and disconnect palmrest. Now unscrew and disconnect VGA circuit board. Then unscrew and disconnect motherboard. Now unscrew and remove speakers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.